first ever hike. Hi loves, it's your Morana Girly Mika, and today is December 19. It's currently 4 in the afternoon, and in just a few hours from now, we are gonna be experiencing our first ever hike. Shout out to Dos Viajeros. If ever you would like to go hiking and you're planning to find an organizer, Dos Viajeros is the best. Actually, sa GC pa lang, sobrang precise sa time, pick up points, and everything. Kaya, ganyan pa lang, I appreciate them na. And, we'll see kung gaano sila consistent. Anyway, so, yeah, take it with me and I hope you enjoy. Ito na, mga laban na laban. Ayan na yan sila. Hala! Oh, sabi sa'yo. Drop like this. Dito po ako pinanganak. Little update. Malapit na kami sa pick-up point. So excited. Pero bukas pa talaga yung hike. Ha? Matutulog pa tayo sa van. Hi ka muna.
Hi.
Kakain kami. Kakain na lang kami, baby. Sige, abangan nyo.
Paano mo?
Bebe.
Ayan, above all, kain muna.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it's not about me. I remember days on the back of the school bus.
In your 20s, your friends gonna invite you to hike. It's best to go. Grabe yung kwentuhan nila. Shit.
May nangyari ngayon
Kwento mo nga ng very light.
sa Grab kanina. Ay, tatali ko lang yung shoes ko. Puno ko yung cellphone ko. Naiwan dun sa Grab.
Ang tawag dyan?
Bobo. Talaga, 1 hour and 30 minutes ko lang magkitantay si Kuya. Pero thank you, Kuya. God will bless you.
Diba? Ganda po ang buhay ko. Yung iba, lip tint, yung kabila, madram. Tayo, dito tayo sa gitna. Happy lang. Anything else, guys? Mapapami naman yun sa pag-akyat. Ikaw talaga.
Basta na lang.
Hirap! Nagyang. Gagawin daw po namin yan. Ayan. Practice, go.
Doon tayo.
Wala alam yung vlog na to ay bahala na kayong umintindi sa amin. I think
Gusto ko babae.
Galing ng organizer.
grabe.
Isipin mo, 39 tayo. Tapos sinasabi ko lang, our numbers are skyrocketing. Kaya nila, gonna say I'll be more active.
May ganyan lang siyang buhay. So, okay lang. Gudi-gudi ko lang siya. Life update. Parang wet hike pang mangyayari sa aming buhay.
First time mo, tas umulan.
Kaya namin to, ano ba? Fudaru. Hi, baby.
Hello. Good morning.
Kung napapansin niyo po, pangatlong kain. Ang daming kain, be. Patay ka mamaya sa lakaran. Anyways, and in just a snap, gano'n na siya natapos. Na parang bang nag-hike na sila ng 3 hours. Tawa ng bakla, oh. Nakarma po kami.
Bawal magsama yung mag-ex.
Bawal yung mag-ex, lalo na yung mga hindi pa nakaka-move on.
Bahala na kayo dyan.
Yan, sa kalagitnaan ko ng lahat. Nagpapasahan sila ng blush. Ako wala talaga eh.
Natural.
Ganun talaga siya, maping-ping.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up. I just wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. There are memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that
Ano, baby?
I lived a few extra.
Forever.
Just a dream that I once knew.
Pogi naman! Ang pogi ng asawa ko. Nakita niyo ba yun? Sobrang sarap ng hangin. Partida nasa baba pa kami. Okay guys, ayan po yung first peak. Charis! Say hi, Ma. Namimiss ka na ni Kuji.
Miss you too, bro.
Ay, ang cute! There's a ay, hindi. Horse ka pala. Hindi po biro. My heart as of the moment is naririnig ko. Tugurog. Buti na lang meron akong cheerleader. Alam mo, worth it naman siya. Tingnan mo yung gawa ng Diyos. Ang ganda. Kahit gano'n kahingal, ulit talaga ako. Ang sarap ng hangin. Right?
Refreshing moment.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me.
Kaya pa, it's quad peak. Ibig sabihin, 4 yung peak niya. So, akyat baba siya. And as of the moment, wala pa kami sa first peak. Pero, I think nakikita ko na siya.
Para lang tayong nag-hike tayo lang dalawa.
Naiwan sila Bern at Micah dahil nagpipicture sila. So, yeah. If you guys are still overthinking, kahingalin ako. Well, yes, hihingalin ka and you need to condition yourself kahit pa paano. Pero, it's worth it. So, do it in your 20s, in your 30s. Kasi, pag 50s and 60s mo, babalikan mo to.
Maging memories na lang siya.
Yes. Let's go.
Baby, so proud of you. So proud of you.
Update! Ewan ko. Grabe na yung hangin.
Heart breathing, heart spinning down, down. Lights weakened, but I see them now, now. Open my eyes, let my tears crystallize. I'm switching focus. It's tough letting go of the world that I know, but what I know is sometimes it tastes like gold, but it's rotten. Sometimes a cage can look like a key. Sometimes it takes your whole life breathing.
Ayaw ka niyan. May sumpa yan.
Sinking, fumble your words to find clarity. Sometimes it hurts, but I'm still beginning to be free, to be free.
We survived 3 mountains. Ito yung last. Ganda. Wait lang. Let us appreciate that.
Okay na par. Play na.
Ganda, sobra. Hindi na justify ng camera yung ganda ng view. So proud of myself.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up. I just wanted to grow up, but now
Tara.
Ito po ang sitwasyon. Ginusto natin to. Life update, pauwi na po kami. Hindi na ako makapag-video dahil umuulan na.